The Hyperion and Tri-City Local Music presents St. Patrick's Day Weekend Party, March 19th with Below 7. Come out and celebrate the luck of the Irish and get your hands on some great food and drink specials from the Hyperion. That's Saturday, March 19th at 9 p.m. And as always, there's never a cover at the Hyperion. Must be 21 and ID is required. Brought to you by the Hyperion, Greenville, Tennessee, and Tri-City Local Music.
Makes you wonder why we're
And now, here's Tri-City Local Music's Double Shot. Does your band or business need artwork? How about your bike or your car? If you're looking to get a professional look on anything, look up Phoenix Designs. They paint anything on anything. Let the accomplished airbrush artist Stevie Wilburn give you the look that your band or business deserves. They'll paint cars, bikes, walls, glass, t-shirts. If it can be painted, they'll paint it. That's Phoenix Designs.
Stand up to finish the double shot. Tri-City Local Music Radio, local Howl.
The Hideaway, Johnson City, Tennessee presents Promise the World, Guerrilla Warfare, and a Fleeting Farewell, Friday, March 25th at 9 p.m. Come out for a great night of metal music. That's Friday, March 25th. Must be 18. ID is required. Admission is just $8. Brought to you by The Hideaway and Tri-City Local Music.
We are not alone.
Bullshit.
Hey, God forbid you don't win after throwing only 2 quarters, man. It's a business, it ain't